the logo here.
No, we're gonna go somewhere better.
Okay. Pero wala pa si Dion kaya we have the Hotel Casina. Kashana.
We don't need to go to hotel. Shall go and
Yeah, we don't need.
Okay.
Our next
Today we're going to our next destination. Hi.
We're going to next destination, which said we didn't.
Okay. It started letter G.
We're enjoying playing.
Yes. Okay, clue or some trivia. When you are 2 years old, nakapunta ka na doon. Pero si Dion, hindi pa kasama noon. Wala pa noon. 2 years old ka nung huli tayo nagpunta doon.
Ang places na napunta pag
Start with letter G. G. Okay. Let's wait. Bye-bye.
Maybe a game?
Hi. We're going to our second destination. Secret muna, hindi alam ni Daylan kung saan. It started letter G, followed by letter I. Hindi alam ni Daylan kung saan.
Ito.
Giginto daw yung guess niya.
Ito.
Meron tayong pilihan ng mga meat. No, G, followed by I, followed by N, and G-I-N.
No? G-I-N-G.
Jinga daw, sabi ni Kuya Dick. Galing na mag-sing ni Dion.
Mamaya na yung ibang clue eh.
I'm gonna genge.
Genge, it's not genge.
It's genge.
A very relaxing place. Woo!
Baby, do you want to go to
Para tayong nasa Baler.
Baby, do I know?
Walang
I want
traffic.
to go to the place that we can play.
G-I-N-G-E-R.
Ganger. Baby, do I
Malapit na.
Ganger.
What is that? Your favorite story?
The eye is born. Baby, do I know me?
Iniisip ni Daylan kung
Baby, do
ano.
I know? Ganger. Actually, Anastasia.
Ginger.
Ginger. Red one. We are wise.
Malapit na.
Red one.
Oh.
Let me see.
Red one.
Tingnan natin. Go. Ayan o. Ayan o, nakalagay o.
Barangay Palumlum.
That's gingerbread house.
Yeah.
We're gonna go inside.
Yes. Hi, here is the Reptiland.
7 a.m. sa bukas na. Sorry. Uwi na sila magkap. Kakap pa sila? Kakap pa sila?
Pwede naman kung gusto nila. Doon na kayo. Pasok na doon, pasok na. Sige, pasok na kayo.
Oh.
Dito tayo. Tingnan mo, dito sila oh. Sige, picture kayo dyan.
Nasa may Christmas village na rito. Wow!
Hey, dyan kayo.
Wow! Smile! Wow! O, Dion, don't touch it. Wow! Ay, ang ganda.
Pwede mo ba picture nito?
Oo naman.
Gingerbread man.
Wow.
Restaurant. Hello, gingerbread man. Run, run. Come sige. You can touch me. I'm a gingerbread man.
It's a thing.
It's a restaurant.
A restaurant. A gingerbread. Come here. Chicken.
Wala na si Santa. Ito si Santa.
Dito pa, de. Ito si Santa. Ayan. Miss mo yan. Oh.
Wish nyo kay Santa.
I want to wish a toy waffle maker.
Waffle maker. Ikaw, Dion, what's your wish to Santa?
Make it.
Toy din? You want also toy? Okay. Restaurant na siya, oh. May second floor na rin siya. Punta kami dito 5 years ago.
Sama ka na.
Mama ka na. Dylan, what are you cooking? Leon, what time is it, Dylan? Here.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. What's the long hand? Ay, hindi eh. Yan, ang 3 o'clock. What time is this?
Hindi ko alam.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Ito, 5:15.
5:15.
Go, next station naman. Yun, waffle maker yun ah. Diyan naman, dito, let's go naman.
Let's go, Dion. Careful ha, pababa dyan.
Jump, dyan.
Here, Dion.
What's in there?
Here.
Wala. Trash. It's a lavender house. Fish pa.
Ay, naman, pwesto po para po
Go! Dito ka na lang sa slide. Slide na lang. Dito slide na lang. Dion, swing. One, two, three, go. Ba't ko popo? Ikaw na.
Medyo maipit.
Hmm?
Give.
Masigip daw. Malaki ka eh.
Okay.
Nahihirapan siya. Slide ka. Patingin nga si Mami kung marunong mag-slide si Dian and Dylan. Ian, slide ka nga. Tingnan tingnan ko nga. Slide, dali. Tingnan ko nga. Sabay sabay. Oh, wait lang. Wait mo si Dion
Sa kabilang side ka na din.
Wait. First Dion.
Yes, Dad. Wait mo si Kuya din. Dylan, wait mo si Dylan.
3, 2, 1.
3.
Wow.
Swing. Let's go ride the swing.
How about in here, Dylan?
Sarado.
Ayan. Check, ito, Dio. Check all the elements. Ayan, oh. Go inside. It's a sensory walk. Here. Wow.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ate!
Ayun oh, playground. One to 3 years old lang pala yan.
Doon na lang. Ay, wala. Hindi na pwede dyan, Day. You're bigger.
Years old.
Doon sa may pond, fish pond, Day. Morning po.
Ang bakit mo pa magpakain ng tea?
Mainit po eh.
Let's go inside.
Eh, may hot dyan, oh.
Okay. Push yan. Wow.
Dede, ikaw naman sa bed.
Hindi naman.
Ito ka sa bed eh, oh.
Dede, ikaw doon sa bed oh.
Init lang, ah. Ito. Huwag ka dyan, hot dyan.
Tignan mo. Water. Gusto mo? Dede. Hindi siya makamove. Aka na. I'll move you.
Ang lakas.
Hello. Explore lang namin.
Hi! We're here at the gingerbread house. This is the last part.
May bridge na, oh.
Tagin yan ng meron pa sa taas. Meron pa doon sa dulo. Mga takbuhan.
Green pastures. Bread and breakfast. Oo nga, no? Rafflesia chair. Ay, ang cute. Pwede magpakasal. Hello.
We're getting married again.
Mommy, will you marry me?
Yes, Raymond Aguilar.
Saan?
Sa mga pinag-picturean sa akin.
Siguro.
Pick up your shoes.
Ulit ka na, tama na, okay na.
Rainbow.
Ayan, mahina eh. Baka yung globe malakas. Ah, wait lang, wait. Wait for us. Oh! Ah,
Nice!
yan yung may end dati, may snow ano.
Wow! Wow!
Wow!
Wow!
Ganda, oh.
Alam mo ko lang dito, sounds.
Oo.
It's a small world after all.
It's a small world after all.
Look at the ground.
Small world after all.
Daming ano ah. Christmas village yan ah.
Ganun kasi yung sa ano, Disneyland.
Something.
Gingerbread.
Wow. What is this place?
This is a church.
Wow. It's a Christmas village.
But look at the top.
Wow. There's a lot of houses.
Santa's workshop.
Oh, there's a Santa's workshop. It's a beautiful Santa's workshop. There's also trains. Diyan, look at this. Oh, this is a big train. Big train. Choo choo.
Hello, family.
Wow.
Hello, train.
This is a Christmas carol, Daylan, no?
What carol?
Christmas carol. They are singing Christmas songs.
There's a carousel.
Wow, yes, a carousel.
Ayun na! Gingerbread house.
Yes, this one is a Ferris wheel. Ganda ah. Don't touch. It's a glass.
Can we touch it?
No,
Because we are yan.
You can- you- you're not allowed to touch it, Dion.
Follow.
I-enjoy sila eh. Okay na. Pwede dito, children's event, no?
Mami, babay pa tayo. Babay pa tayo.